Hey there, Seahawks. It's Miss Adams, and in this video, we're going to go over writing hypotheses statements. All right, so the basics. You'll have a null and alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis is abbreviated H sub 0. The alternative is abbreviated H sub A. You're going to be using inequality symbols, so less than, greater than, and not equal to. And we're always going to use population notation when we're writing our hypothesis statement. So P and mu, not P hat and X bar. All right, so the null and alternative hypothesis for proportions. The American Academy of Toy Physicians released a survey revealing that 65% of stuffed animals admit they lied to their doctor about how often they eat unhealthy meals. Doc McStuffins believes the percentage seems low, so she decides to conduct her own hypothesis test to determine the true proportion. What should she write as the null and alternative hypothesis in this situation? All right, so we're trying to find the true proportion. The claim is that it's 65%, and she believes that that value seems low, so that means she thinks it's greater than 65%. So our null hypothesis would be that P equals 0.65, and then the alternative is P is greater than 0.65. The null is kind of like what is the claim? You're always setting that equal to that. Where P is the true proportion, the true population proportion of stuffed animals who lie to their doctor about how often they eat unhealthy. If instead it had said she believes this seems high, then we would have had a different alternative. We would have said, if she said it seems high, then that means that she believes that it's lower than 65%. So the alternative would have been P is less than 0.65. If she had said she believes it should be different, then the alternative would be a not equal to. All right, null and alternative hypothesis for means. It is reported that the average man's hair grows a half an inch each per month. A new drug company believes that men who take the drug daily will have increased hair growth. Before putting this product on the market, the company plans on running a test on the effectiveness of the drug. Write the null and alternative hypothesis the company should use for their study. All right, so the average hair growth, average tells me I'm working with means, is half an inch per month, and we believe that it's going to increase with this product. So our null hypothesis would be mu, which is the population mean, equals 0.5, half an inch. The alternative would be that mu is greater than 0.5, okay, where mu is the true mean amount of men's hair growth in inches per month. Should probably add that. If instead of increased it said decreased, the alternative would be a less than. And if instead of increase it said change, the alternative would be a not equal to. All right, go Seahawks.